Not just fart on my car.
Good morning. Hey. We haven't had time to test suspension yet, dude. Give it a little break here. All right, first things first, it's Sunday, so I'm getting football set up on the TV so we can watch football and not listen to music. Carlton just said, pick up the camera so I can play music. Hurry up. What are we doing today? Great, can I guess? Wiring.
No.
All right.
Wiring's done completely.
All right, finishing up a couple things, getting the finalization on the wiring, trying to get that finished up to where we can start putting front body panels on, rear body panels, and everything else. A lot of things kind of have to go in order, and it's a little skewed because, as you guys saw, we have like seat heaters, right? Well, seat heaters can't go on until the body's on and the seats are recovered and those are on, to know how we're going to run the wires for the seat heaters. That's something, it's kind of, you know, when you're doing these things, you have to lay it all out in order to where you can do the next item on the list, right? Well, that's kind of a big item, but we can't really know how we're going to run that wiring until the back half is on and the seats are put in place. The whole deal is we need to make it a quick disconnect because the seat comes off, and sometimes the seat will need to come off. But I think they have quick disconnects on them. They're just connections. So I think that'll be okay. Anyways, it's just a lot of work to kind of think ahead 5 steps, right? What were you gonna say?
I'm just laughing because you said quick disconnect, but it's...
Yeah, I don't know what I'm trying to say.
Plug.
A plug, yeah.
Okay.
I don't know. Quick disconnect. You know, sometimes my mouth just doesn't quite work with the words I'm trying to say.
Okay.
I can't feel my face. All right. Time to work. Carlton and I got the heat blasting, Seahawks playing. We are trying to get things done. We just both finished up this plate. Don't mind how ugly the cutouts look. It's kind of difficult to get these perfect, but it's not a big deal because none of that you're going to see at all. It's just, you know, when you push these little rocker switches in, you know, you measure obviously all 4 sides, mark it out, but then in the corners, these little guys that clamp it in place that just push through, they only squeeze down so far. I mean, not even like a 16th of an, probably a 16th of an inch is how much they move. So it's real difficult to get the cutouts themselves perfect. But we did, they're good. We touch fit everything. Now we're getting the holes drilled and Carlton's working on the cutouts.
The drill bit's so bad.
It can't even drill through plastic. That's bad. I am working on getting these sprayed. I'm gonna go run and pick up some black paint, but getting this primered. That is the amp bracket and the fuse box bracket. Then I'm gonna run and get paint. Carlton's gonna cut out those holes right there, get this sucker in there, and start wiring some stuff. And then that's about it. All right, so, you know, we don't fake stuff, and we show you guys when we mess up.
I mean,
I kind of messed up.
we've been faking it this whole time. It wasn't just you.
Well, I mean, I guess we did, whatever. So rocker switch is going to be going here, right? Carlton gets it all cut out and we go to test fit it.
That's not the plastic stopping it.
We forgot about the big ass bar we have on the other side. We messed up. It happens. Not a big deal. It's just going to be about an extra half an hour worth of work. So drill out all the rivets each side, cut off all the 25 zip ties. Gotta have to realign this when we're done. Realign the ignition when we're done. Take it out and don't hit the nice switch that we just siliconed in there. And just notch the tube. So basically just a rectangle around the bottom side of the tube. He'll mark it, as you can see in there. Just the bottom part. It's really not much at all. So he'll mark it and get that notched. I am gonna go run and pick up my daughter, and I'm gonna pick up some black paint because we ran out. So I will be picking up paint while Carlton will be doing that. Yay! There's a fly in here. Landed on your face. First panel going in, all painted up, getting the 1/8" rivets in there.
I always hate doing this part.
What's up?
Because of the fresh paint.
Oh yeah, lining it up, making sure it's perfect.
No, not scratching.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you're talking about, yeah, I see what you're saying. I thought you were talking about you hate lining up the back, but yeah, no, I get it. This rivet gun is a lot better than our pneumatic one. The pneumatic one, you pop it and it goes, and usually scratches the
You have to like time it.
Yeah, you gotta pull it back perfect. This one's a lot more.
This one, well, 1/8" also.
Oh, that's
snaps
true.
way
Yeah,
too.
snaps quicker. That looks good. And you showed them your notch, obviously.
No, they saw it on.
They saw it on the time lapse.
On time lapse.
Yeah, you love saying that, dude. What happened to my wheel? What did you do to my wheel, sir?
Actually, I didn't do anything.
What is that? Unbelievable. All right, getting this one all timered and painted, and then that one's going in too. Do we tell them the downfall of the tack? What we gotta do for the wiring? No.
No, I wouldn't say it's downfall.
Yeah, no, it's not a downfall. It's actually not that big of a deal. Carlton at first thought it was gonna be a big deal, and he wanted to ask me what we should do, but I don't think it's that big of a deal. So, with the tack, well, it's not on there now, but there's 2 pieces that goes with the tack, and it's not really made to go from the very front all the way to the engine. It's the actual tack wire, and it's the temp gauge. They have a temp gauge that we kind of just realized, and it has to go. It's not going to reach, basically what I'm trying to say, from the very bottom all the way down under into there, and we can't really cut them and extend it. So we are actually just going to go underneath the mat. There's a big mat that goes here, and we're just going to run it right along, a little bit of tape, and straight to the motor. Not really how we normally do things, but we don't really have any other option. We don't want to cut them and extend them because we don't even know if that'll work. So no big deal. Cool. Looks good. Got the panel in there. Turned out okay. The paint, I mean, it was a piece of aluminum that was powder coated. So when I cleaned it up and ground it down, you can kind of see every single imperfection in it, which not that big of a deal. It looks fine. It's a golf cart, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, it looks good. I'm real happy with all that turned out. Carlton's finishing up the wiring for these 3 things right now. And then we need to put 2 little 5mm nuts on the back of that sucker to tighten it down. Moment of truth. What do you think?
Alrighty.
Cross your fingers.
I sure hope it works.
Wait, let's check it out back here. Let's make sure. Ooh, look how pretty that looks, dude.
That's not the pretty part.
It looks pretty good. All right.
That's the part I like.
That's the part you like? That is nice. You're gonna have enough on there for all the other stuff we gotta fire up?
Yeah. Well, because a lot of it's going to go here.
Oh, yeah, that's true. Cool. All right, let's see it. Woo! Look at that. Switch panels on.
Just
nice. That turns on too. Yeah, we know that.
You have to turn it on, though.
Just one click. Oh. So.
You connected.
Oh, I connected. So it worked out. I'm going to be honest with you guys. When I was planning all this I bought, I don't even know how long ago. And same with this. Probably 3 or 4 years ago, I bought this for the other golf cart. Just so happens that everything is blue.
Works out good.
Kind of worked out good.
Yeah.
I mean, it'd be rad if they were all red, but I think a little bit of a different color contrast is okay.
Yeah.
Panels turned out good. Wiring looks good. So that right there that you're seeing obviously is in Celsius, but that is the temp gauge that we were talking about.
Does it have a cover on it?
I don't think so. Does
There's
it?
a bubble right there. I think it does.
Oh,
it looks
right.
super foggy.
So if you guys watch, if I just put this in my hand and kind of hold it, should start going up. Yep. So temperature gauge works.
Voltage went down.
Uh-oh. That's true. Voltage did go down. Good thing we got an alternator.
Now we can always...
Yeah, we can confirm that it's working, right?
Yeah.
Cool, man. Now we just have to figure out how to change that. I don't know. Click one of the buttons. Will it change?
This?
Yeah.
This is like, I think this is mode. It shows like max temp.
Oh.
Then there's like a min temp or something. So I think you can set it where...
Set it where you want to, like, have a warning.
Yeah. There's a couple different things.
Tack.
Yeah, that's the tack.
Total time.
Yeah, I think it's total time.
Yep, there's time. Yeah.
So we don't
Like
have
the
the 0.4 hours on there.
That's true. We gotta figure out how to change it to Fahrenheit. Yeah, this thing has like tons of different settings for everything. Hey, buddy, I think you better get to reading.
I already read it.
Can't lose this. Can't lose this
It's like
one.
the same as the other one. You have to set it for the right motor.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
How many cylinders and all that?
Cylinders and stroke.
Sweet, dude. That turned out good. I'm pumped. It's a lot of work. You did a lot of work.
It's a lot of work.
A lot of work. So,
Especially when you're trying to make it nice. I mean,
yeah.
I could probably done it in a day and just not sheathe anything.
Well, yeah, I know, right? It's kind of hard, though, because we always do it right the first time. Literally praise that up and down on any kind of projects you're working on. Just do it right the first time. You won't have to do it again. Well, I don't know where that leaves us with the video.
Done.
Done?
Yeah.
We're going to end this video?
Yeah.
Start another one?
Yep.
Okay. What do you got to tell the viewers?
I'm kind of don't have anything. I'm really tired.
Nothing?
No.
Like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.